In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Google Docs and customize it for your document. Let's start right from the beginning. Open your Google Docs document, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your document is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the Insert menu in the toolbar. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Table. When you hover over Table, you'll see a grid appear. This grid lets you choose how many columns and rows you want in your table. Simply move your mouse across and down the grid to select the size you need. For example, if you want a table with 3 columns and 4 rows, drag over until you highlight a 3x4 section. Then click. Google Docs will instantly insert that table into your document at the location of your cursor. Now that your table is in place, you can start adding content. Click inside any cell and begin typing. You can use the Tab key on your keyboard to quickly move from one cell to the next, which is especially helpful when you're filling in a lot of information. If you make a mistake or want to change something, just click in the cell again and edit the text like you would anywhere else in the document. Next, let's talk about adjusting the table's size. If you hover your mouse over the borders between columns or rows, your cursor will change to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag to resize those columns or rows until they look the way you want. This is useful if you have longer text in one column or want to make certain sections stand out. You can also customize how your table looks. Click anywhere inside the table and you'll see additional options appear in the toolbar, such as border color, line thickness, and background color. Use these to change the style of your borders or add shading to certain cells to highlight important information, like headers. If you need more rows or columns, right-click inside the table and choose to insert rows above or below, or columns to the left or right. Similarly, you can delete rows, columns, or even the entire table from this same right-click menu. Once you're done, your table is fully integrated into your document, ready to help organize your data, schedules, or any content you need in a clear, structured way.